Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install a zip on your Windows PC or laptop. So go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard and open up the Microsoft Store. And once you're inside the Microsoft Store, just simply go ahead and type in 8-zip, right? Once you type that in, hit enter and you should see results showing you the 8-zip. So here you can find the 8-zip. It says out with the old and in with the new. Just simply open it up or click on get that you saw there, but it's free. Just simply click on get and you will have this installed on your PC. And I'm going to show you a typical example as well afterwards, or you can easily go ahead and zip a file with that 8-zip. So as you can see here, it's currently preparing to download, and this is generally very fast. So let's just give it a moment or two to quickly install. As you can see, it's almost done right here, over 80% already, and this should be ready in no time. So once that is done, you can either open it up or you don't have to. It's really up to you because you can easily use it. And a typical way, just let me go ahead and right click and create a folder right here. So new, I'm going to create a folder right here and just leave it as is. And to zip a file, let's say it contains file, let me go ahead and open up this folder right here, and yeah, let's say within that folder there's another folder and there's files or whatever it is, right? So guys, if you want to go ahead and zip a file within it, just simply go ahead and find that 8-zip app that you have. You'll see it on your recent installer here, and here you can easily go ahead and basically source the file, or you can just simply drag and drop the file. So as you can see, this is the file that I had here, folder. I can drag it here, and as you can see, I can just simply click and continue there. You can name it whatever you want. You can choose the archive type. I'm going to leave it as zip right there, and just simply click and save. And as you can see, it's going to ask me for the location so that I can give the name. I'm going to just choose the desktop as is, and I'm going to just leave it as new archive, right? Just leave it the same name there. And as you can see, it is done right there. So now I've just compress, or let's say I've just zipped this folder here with the 8-zip app on my PC, and that's pretty much it, guys.